Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Ike Paz has a product that's fresh out today called AI Coloring Books. And look at this. Free software allows anyone to make thousands in passive income selling coloring books in low competition niches. And the way they do it generates the traffic. Here's the extra kicker. There's a $9 off discount coupon code at my site. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of a blog post there that has the pretty information about it. I like to say artificial intelligence does 83% of the work for you. Very cool. This is a great idea. The upgrades are listed there. And then at the bottom, oh yeah, this one's not updated. Okay, at the bottom you get the $9 off discount coupon code. I'm just going to rumble through a little bit of stuff in here to show you what I'm talking about. So they go, you don't need to be paying for here, built-in free buyer traffic. That's cool. Create the coloring books quickly. That's cool. This whole case study. And you're like, yeah, that sounds interesting. So $37, $9 off discount coupon code makes it $26. Free AI art software to create profitable coloring books. Here's an example here. Look at this. I don't know, bunny coloring. Whoa, $1,300. Hey, that might be of interest. That might be worth paying. Was it $26 after the discount coupon? No graphic background needed, and you don't need to buy the software. It's all set up. Everything's in here. There's some great. This just gives you an idea of what kind of stuff they're doing. Some are down here. Here's some more royalties from different things that they've done that have been done. And I want to get down to not Ike Paz, not that. Sorry, I'm waiting for, here we go, the testimonial. So here we go. Look at this. This course, I'm just going to read you the top part and you can scroll through all these. This course is a game changer. Made me some serious money. No fluff and straight to the point. Lead to amazing profits. Great course taught by a practitioner, not a guru. It's someone who does this, as Ike Paz does it. He does all these kind of stuff. Here's all the stuff. I'll let you read through that. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can read some of the information about it, then grab the discount coupon code to save $9, then click the product box, the AI coloring books thing that's right here, and not the top one, but the bottom one, the middle one, will take you right to this page. So go check it out. AI coloring books, fresh out today, one of the top selling products, and $9 off discount coupon code at my site at marketingsharks.com. Go check out AI coloring books and make some money from selling coloring books on Kindle. Enjoy.